Welcome to this practical guide on how to analyze your old data using NotebookLM. This video is designed for students and teachers looking to maximize their existing knowledge base. So what is NotebookLM? It's a smart AI notebook developed by Google that uses language models to read specific files. It transforms static notes into an interactive knowledge base that can talk back in natural sentences based on your data. The problem with old data is that it is often fragmented and scattered across various file types, making it unsearchable by meaning. Reading everything is inefficient, and valuable knowledge can easily get lost. The core workflow is simple. First, upload your documents. Second, the AI processes them instantly. Third, you interact with the AI through chat to extract answers and insights. You can upload a wide variety of sources, including PDFs, Google Docs, Google Slides, web links, YouTube videos, and even audio files. To build your notebook, create a dedicated notebook for each project and use Add Source to upload multiple file types. Organizing by specific topics helps the AI focus better. Ask natural questions as if you were talking to a tutor. For example, what are the main arguments in Chapter 3? The answers provided will include citations from your files for easy verification. NotebookLM offers instant summaries. You can get an overview, request detailed explanations, or break down long texts section-wise. The benefit is you can skip the reading and go straight to understanding. You can generate automated study guides, turning messy notes into structured revision sheets. The AI auto-generates headings, key points, and definitions, which can be exported directly to Google Docs. Utilize active recall tools to generate practice questions and glossary flashcards from your documents. This shifts learning from passive reading to active testing, preparing you for exams. Another feature is the ability to listen to your data. You can convert text into AI-generated audio overviews or a podcast-style discussion, perfect for auditory learners. Visualize concepts by identifying connections between different documents. Generate ideas for mind maps and concept flows to promote structured thinking across your materials. NotebookLM can help expand your knowledge by finding related sources from the web. You can compare old notes against new research, identify gaps, and use deep research modes for complex projects. For the best results, ensure clean inputs and organize notes before uploading. Name files clearly, ask precise questions, and use follow-up questions to iterate and dig deeper. Know the limits. NotebookLM is a language model, not a calculator or statistical tool. It is text-centric and does not execute code. Always verify the citations provided by the AI. Transform your learning by turning old data into smart knowledge. You can save hours of manual searching and create personalized study aids instantly. Stop reading and start understanding.